We represent a working prototype of the stabilized pulse infinite variable transmission. It consists of a 12-volt power adapter, a switch, an electric motor with a reduction drive, and an input demonstration disc that rotates at the rate of the reduction drive. A pulsator is mounted on the input demonstration disc.
Который включает в том числе две шестерни.
Consisting that contains two gears and an individually profiled black cam. The pulsator converts the uniform rotation of the reduction drive to pulsing rotation, which by its non-uniformity compensates the non-uniformity of the IVT part of the device. The IVT part of the device rotates the output demonstration disc. The last element of the IVT is a drive ratio control device that among other parts includes a control disc. No other electrical circuits are present in the device. The CVT drive ratio is determined by the crank arm. This is the crank. The crank arm is the distance between the crank and the central axis of the device. In this case, it is set to maximum. Now we are going to rotate the control disc and reduce the crank arm. The crank arm has been reduced to zero with the crank set coaxially with respect to the central axis of the device. Now we connect the device to a power source.
К сожалению, выключатель не очень хороший, поэтому
the input demonstration disc is rotating, but there is no output rotation at the crank arm is equal to zero. The slight residual rotation is caused by the low precision of this particular device.
Давайте теперь будем увеличивать.
We proceed to increasing the crank arm.
И постепенно тем самым увеличивать скорость вращения.
The rate of rotation of the output demonstration disc is gently increased proportionally to the crank arm increase. At this point, both demonstration discs are rotating at a similar rate. We keep increasing the crank arm to the maximum. Thus, the rate of the output disc rotation has been increased to the maximum. At this moment, it is rotating at a rate by approximately 30% faster than the input demonstration disk. Once again, we decrease the rotation rate of the output demonstration disk almost to zero.
Вот он замедляется. И практически прекращает вращаться. Выключаем устройство. Таким образом, рабочий прототип показал.
Thus, the working prototype has shown the continuous variation of the drive ratio. Besides, it has demonstrated that it has a zero output mode.
Двигатель вращается, а выходного вращения нет.
Additionally, it has shown the presence of a step-up gear, which provides for the output rotation at a greater rate than the input rotation.